Imagine our protagonist, overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional budgeting. Spreadsheets, countless categories, and constant tracking left them feeling more stressed than secure. They yearned for simplicity, a way to align their finances with their minimalist values. That's when they discovered the two-account system. This system is like a clear, uncluttered path for our protagonist. It starts with understanding their total monthly income, the raw material they have to work with. Then, it guides them to identify their fixed expenses, the non-negotiable costs that form the foundation of their financial life. Next, the protagonist sets clear savings and debt repayment goals, prioritizing what truly matters: financial security and freedom from debt. This step is like setting a compass, pointing them towards their desired destination. The magic happens when they separate their finances into two accounts. The main account, the workhorse, handles fixed expenses and savings, while the spending account, the free spirit, manages variable expenses. This separation is like creating a clear boundary between needs and wants, reducing the mental clutter of constant financial decisions. Each month, our protagonist follows a simple routine: pay fixed expenses, transfer savings, and allocate the remainder to the spending account. This automated process is like setting their financial life on autopilot, freeing them to focus on what truly matters. The spending account becomes their playground, a space to enjoy life within clear limits. They learn to spend mindfully, tracking their expenses lightly, knowing that once the account is empty, they pause until next month. Through this system, our protagonist discovers the power of simplicity. They prioritize essentials, automate routine tasks, and enjoy the freedom of a clear spending limit. This minimalist approach to budgeting brings them not only financial peace, but also a deeper understanding of their values. In essence, traditional budgeting is like a cluttered room, overwhelming and stressful. The two-account system is like a minimalist space, clear, organized, and peaceful. If you want to systematically declutter your life, this channel is for you, as we share new methods for a minimalist approach. Subscribe to Minimalist Money now.